Hi beautiful people, what's up, how you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing fine. It's your guy Alfred. Welcome to my channel Awake Within. Remember last time in one of my videos I promised to come up with another tutorial video on how to make passive income online using some 3 simple side hustles that do not require any form of experience. You don't have to pay any money to make money online with this side hustle. It is free, so anybody can make money online with this side hustle. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe to Awake Within, and don't forget to give a thumbs up if you like the tutorial video, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you won't miss each time I upload any new video. So guys, we'll get down to the tutorial video after my intro. Okay guys, welcome back again. It's your guy Alfred. Welcome to my channel Awake Within. So guys, make sure you watch this tutorial video from the beginning on up to the end. Don't skip any part of it. All you need to make money online with this side hustle is just a laptop or a phone and a good internet connection, and you are good to go. So guys, let's get down to the tutorial video. This first side hustle is called Pico Workers. Let's get down to the video. Okay guys, let's jump into my PC. Let me show you guys how it works. First, go to your browser and type Pico Workers small gigs for businesses with jobs. Click on the link, the first link. And then you come to a page like this. If you don't have an account, you have to sign up. If you already have an account, you will sign in. So I will sign in because I've already had an account here. Let me show you guys. Let me sign in. Okay, you see, this is how it looks like. They have different types of jobs. They have survey, different types of jobs. Here you can make instant cash very easy. It's very easy. Have $130, $100, $30, $180. You can cash it out instantly. You can see they have different types of jobs. They have survey. This is survey. You can also do survey, and these jobs require no experience. Anyone can do it. It's very easy. So you can see everything here. It is not fake, it is legit. So anyone can do it. You can make money with this site without no experience. You don't have to pay any money. It's free. And then the second side hustle that I'm going to show you guys is called PolePay. PolePay is another side hustle. It's also survey. For you guys that, let me show you guys. There's this how it looks like when you click. It's a PolePay, earn money and free gift card with page survey. Click on the first link. And then you come to a page like this one. On this page, they will give you different options. If you have the Apple phone you have to sign with Apple account. If you have Facebook, you can sign with Facebook. If you have a Google account, you can sign, or Twitter. So for me, I would choose Facebook. But when you sign with Facebook, it's very easy. And when you sign with Facebook, we come to a page like this one. You can see my balance is 0 0. There's no money there because I've not taken any survey yet. And you see, immediately you sign in, you come to a page like this one. You have to start with a survey. This is a survey, and the payout is 1.22 US dollars. This site also is free. You don't have to pay any money. You don't without any experience. You will generate passive income with this site. So this site is called PolPay. It's very easy. It's just survey. You don't have to pay any money. It's free. So that this side hustle is pay to read email. Pay to read email is another side hustle that does not require any form of experience. You are being paid to read email. You don't have to do much, just little. Let me show you guys. This site also has survey. If you don't have account, you also have to sign in but I already have an account here. You also have to sign in your account. Then you will get to a page like this one. It's very easy. When you sign in, you get to a page like this one. They also have survey, different type of survey. Very easy. You can see they have different type of amount that they will pay you. 50 cents, $1. So if you take it serious, if you take this tutorial video serious, trust me, you will generate passive income by working on these 3 side hustle a day. Trust me, you will generate passive income. You will help yourself by making enough money for yourself. It's very easy. You don't need any experience. If you don't know what survey is just about answering random questions, maybe about yourself or business or purchase or countries. It's very simple. Anyone can do it. Myself, I'm doing it every day. As you can see, let me show you some proof here. You see, every day I will have to read mails, but not difficult. Really, the reading is just a matter of clicking this link, that click to confirm that I read the mail. Once I click on it, that's just all. Then I will take a survey. I don't have to do much. It's very simple. When I click on that link, it means I've read the mail. So I don't have to actually read any mail. I just have to click on that link to confirm that I've read the mail. That's all. Then I will take a survey like this one. Then a survey will come. What would you like your opinion heard? That's all. Then you will give your opinion. They will ask you random questions about yourself, what you do, what you eat, how you travel, so on and so forth. So it's very simple. So guys, make sure you take this side hustle serious, and trust me, you will generate passive income if you take it serious, doing it on daily basis.